Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about hyphenated compound adjectives. And hyphen, the word hyphen itself means there is a line in between the words. Now let's see what it means exactly. So hyphenating a compound adjective helps to show that the words belong together. So they just function as one word. Because of hyphenating, the ambiguity is less, and we prevent it. For example, here I have two sentences. The first one is not hyphenated, and it is ambiguous. I saw a man eating lion today. So in this example, the man is doing the action. Actually, the man is eating the lion. And I think that's not the case. And in the second one, we have man eating lion as an adjective. So man eating is a modifier, it just modifies the noun that comes after that. So the lion is a man eating one. It's capable of that. In this part, we see the formulas to make hyphenated compound adjectives. The first one, which is a little bit problematic for the students, is when we have a number plus a noun. When you have a number plus the noun does not get S. The noun cannot be used in the plural form because it is an adjective. So we use the adjectives in the singular form. It doesn't agree with the noun that comes after that. Forget it. It says a break that takes 10 minutes is a 10-minute break. Even if you had breaks after that, again, you had 10-minute breaks, not 10 minutes, because it's an adjective. And the second one, adjective plus noun, it's easy. A bike ride over a long distance is a long hyphen distance bike ride. Adjective plus present participle. What is present participle? The ing form of that, form of the verb. A person who works hard is a hardworking person. Noun plus present participle. An athlete who breaks records is a record-breaking athlete. Noun plus adjective. A room that is free from smoke is a smoke-free room. Noun plus past participle. Third part of the verb. For example, go, went, gone. Gone is the past participle form. So here we use the past participle third part of the verb. An engine cooled by water is a water-cooled engine. Adjective plus past participle. A man with a bad temper is a bad-tempered man. Adverb plus past participle. A city that has a dense population is a densely populated city. These are the formulas to make hyphenated compound adjectives. Now let's do some exercises together. I did the first one as an example, but I give you time to do the rest. The first one says a walk that takes 10 minutes. So a walk that takes 10 minutes is a 10-minute walk. So what do you call a building that has 12 stories? Can you think about it? All right, I'll show you the answer. That's a 12-story building. So we don't say 12 stories. Why? Because we have a number and it's hyphenated with a noun. So we don't use the plural form. It's an adjective. A boy who is 5 years old. How do you use a hyphenated compound adjective for this one? If you said a 5-year-old boy, that's correct. A report that is 30 pages long. Again, you have a number, pay attention to that. The answer is a 30-page report, not pages. Students in high spirits. Pay attention, we have students, not a student. The answer is high-spirited students. Number 6, children who behave well. Again, the noun is in the plural form, so you don't need to use a before that. The answer is well-behaved children. A monster with green eyes. Can you change it to a hyphenated compound adjective? The answer is a green-eyed monster. Number 8, a man who has short hair. The answer is a short-haired man. Number 9, a lady with a kind heart. The answer is a kind-hearted lady. Number 10, a nap that saves time. The answer is a time-saving app. You can go back and check the rules and see which one is used with the noun. Is it past participle? Is it present participle? Is it the number? So you can just go over the rules again, so you will get the hang of it. I have more exercises. Let's do some more. Number 11, a dessert that makes your mouth water. The answer is a mouth-watering dessert. Number 12, a woman who has a strong will. Do this one, please. The answer is a strong-willed woman. Number 13, traffic that moves slowly. Can you answer this one? The answer is slow-moving traffic. We do not use a or an here because traffic is uncountable. Just pay attention to that. Number 14, a man who looks good. Answer this one, please. The answer is a good-looking man. Number 15, medicine that lasts a long time. Answer this one, please. The answer is long-lasting medicine. Again, like traffic, medicine is uncountable, so we don't use articles here. Number 16, a person who has an open mind. The answer is an open-minded person. 17, a room that has bright lights. The answer is a brightly lit room. So here we use the adverb, and then that's the adjective part, and we change to adverb, bright, brightly lit, lights lit. So we use the participle form. A documentary that provokes thinking. The answer is a thought-provoking documentary. Number 19, a museum that is famous throughout the world. The answer is a world-famous museum. 20, cookies that are free from fat. The answer is fat-free cookies. Again, here we have a plural noun. That's why we do not use articles here. In this part, I want you to match the words on the left side with and the ones on the right. So we are going to make phrases. I do the first one as an example. For example, here I have part and time. So part-time, that is a compound adjective. So we are going to make compound adjectives. Match the words on the right and on the left, please. I will start showing the answers to you in 30 seconds. Okay, let's check. We say well known, middle aged, English speaking, narrow minded, old fashioned, 5-star, far reaching, forward thinking, ice cold, last minute, home made. So these are compound adjectives. And now in the next exercise, I give you time. Let me move my camera down so you can see it. You have these compound adjectives here. You have time to do this exercise. I will just wait for 30 seconds, but you can pause the video and do the exercises and then check your answers with me. I will show you the answers in 30 seconds, so you have enough time to pause, do the exercises, and then double check with me. Okay, I start showing the answers to you, but you can still pause if you're not done, which I think you're not yet. Do the exercises completely, pause the video, then listen to the answers. So number 1, there is nothing better than drinking an ice cold beer. There are some traditional farmers left who still make cheese the old-fashioned way. Tourism has had far-reaching effects. Some forward-thinking politicians. A middle-aged person. I don't like narrow-minded people. Homemade jam. Many students get a part-time job. A last-minute goal. It's a well-known fact. Lessons with English-speaking instructors. Sydney has many 5-star. So these are the answers. Let me know how many of you got correctly. And in this part, you're going to correct the mistakes. There is a mistake in each of these sentences. Again, I will wait for 30 seconds, then I will show you the answers. You can pause the video, do the exercise, and then check your answers with me. Okay, I will start answering the questions. He has a razor sharp wit. No, you shouldn't write it like this. You should use hyphenated adjective, a razor hyphen sharp wit. Number 2, the movie has over the top characters. Number 3, they are looking for a larger than life person. So larger than life should be hyphenated. 4, the company runs a $50 million project. Number 5, it's an enormous 50-unit complex. Again, pay attention, you have a number here, but this part, as it's an adjective, it doesn't get S. Next part, again, you have mistakes in each sentence. Please correct them. I wait for a couple of seconds, then I will show the answers to you. You can pause the video, do the exercise, then check. Okay. Number one, the project finances energy efficient homes. So energy efficient is the adjective, hyphenated one. Number two, the figures reflect cost of living adjustments. So this part should be hyphenated because it's an adjective. This camera produces high quality resolution. High quality is the adjective. It was my post office box. Post office should be hyphenated here. Okay. Now I want you to describe yourself using compound adjectives. Please write your answers in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer your comments and see if there are mistakes. I help you correct them, and then discuss which compound adjectives you would use to describe a good or bad friend. So you can just use the compound adjectives that you learned in this lesson and write your answers in the comment section below. Thank you so much. That is the end of the lesson today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.